Alright guys, I'm running Grail Punt number 463, which is the $2 slider for Strange Academy number 1 J. Scott Campbell Virgin variant. Let's go down here. So we're going live. And our lists, let's roll the dice. 3 dice roll there. And we've got 6, 12, 13, 14. And our list is starting at Nicholas at number 1 and Kevin at 30, which I've put in the list already. Nicholas at number 1 and Kevin at number 30. Check the time. So 6:28 in Perth, WA, which is 6:28 in Perth, Western Australia on the 14th of October 2020. Yep, so we've got good luck everyone. So we've got 14 rolls. I'll get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoops. Okay, I'm up to 8. 10, 11, 12, double check, 6, 12, 13, 14. We're up to 13. This is the last one. Good luck, everyone. I'll try and get this down. Not sure if anyone caught that. So, winner is Dak at number 1 with slot number 17. Congrats, mate. I'm sure everyone else will give you nice congratulations on the thread. Double check that. 6, 12, 13, 14. List was done 14 times and Dak's at the top. And the time there is 6:29, 6:30. That was a minute ago. Perth local standard time. Thanks everyone.